Oh, yeah, this is the one, there's a lot of stuff going on in the world out there. I told you that. You've been here. Plus, you've been in the world. And so that's where the dodo comes in. This is that site that's always saving animals all the time. Like, it's like, oh, it's an injured animal. And then it's like one of these stories where it all works out. Do you know what I'm talking about, Will?
Yeah, I always see this icon. It's very iconic.
Yeah, it's a dodo, man. Then they crush on Facebook and they get 1 billion views because people, they need to have the just the obvious, straightforward, like nice outcome. Like the, isn't that nice outcome? Like the people, they desperately
feel good.
They desperately need it. And then they go and reach for content like this. But anyway, you can, I don't know, you can probably only play a little bit of it. I feel like they'd be the copyright types, these dodos. Okay, so the owl is down there on the ground, and the guy notices.
It's very odd that a bird is like lying down, like it's falling asleep.
Well, owls have a weird amount, like a lot of personality.
Oh yeah,
like compared to other birds, they have a whole face. Other birds, the eyes are on the side. You can't really, can't really tell.
Oh, he picked it up like a baby.
Well, it didn't want to fly, man. He noticed it got hit, right? And
it said, "What do you give an owl for breakfast?"
So he
looks drunk here. This owl.
Yeah, I mean, he's trying to recover, and he's not too nervous or concerned. So he wrapped him in a box until tomorrow. That's always a risky move. You're like, I don't know what's wrong with it. It could wake up halfway through the night and be sitting next to you,
yeah,
or could die.
Yeah.
Right away because you don't know internal injuries, internal bleeding, and organs and things like this. Anyway, they have a little bonding because that's how the story has to go here. A little bonding. And it turns out they bring the owl to the you remember my coyote story? I come to find out, like, even around here, there's these rescue places where they would take injured animals and repair them and such. Just
you were
charity type operations.
Yeah.
They're all over the place. Anyway, they bring the owl over and they check out the owl and they're like, oh my God, there's no broken bones, nothing. Guy's just chilling.
Just lazy.
Really?
You guys just drunk, actually. The guy got into a bucket of alcohol.
Oh, the owl did?
No.
Oh.
No, he did get hit, but he had just severe bruising on the wing.
Oh, okay.
And it wasn't recovered, so they get him back. A little training, 10-day regimen. It's kind of like me with the voice. And they release him back to the wild. He comes so far. Look at, there he goes. All right, so you got your beautiful story of the day. Amongst all the other variety of stuff you're going to encounter. And we're back, man. I'm back. We're back. The voice is back. I mean, it's almost back. It's back enough. But we're in it. And because we got to be. And the world ain't slowing down anytime soon, and you don't know what it's going to throw at you. You just hope that things can move in a positive direction. And that the better judgment of humans on the planet can somehow lead us towards a path that is not total obliteration. Yeah. That'd be nice too. But anyway, we'll be back. We'll see what transpires in the next 24 hours as we usually do. Thank you to everybody that joined. Thank you to everybody on the super chat and in the comments, making this show possible. We ain't going nowhere.